Hi there, beautiful ladies. Thank you so very much for watching 80 plus trendy and stylish braided cornrow hairstyle ideas for ladies. Find beautiful and simple braids hairstyles for your black hair today. Amazing and beautiful hairstyle ideas to rock this season. Simple looking braids, lovely and amazing cool braids hairstyles for the holiday season. You can definitely see styles you probably haven't seen before. Talk about the views, front, back, and side views, and of course, others in between. Lovely and amazing styles to rock. Great ideas to inspire a very wonderful and unique look for you. We are coming with very lovely styles very soon, so stay tuned to our channel to see all the necessary and amazing hairstyle ideas you can pick from to look really amazing and beautiful. Braids isn't selective of where you wear the look to. It's all about how it's styled, it's all about how it's done, and of course, the beautiful part about it is that it has a long-lasting quality to it, which is why we encourage you to go for braids. We do encourage you to go for braids too, so that you'll be able to have unique and variations of hairstyle ideas to choose from. Again, we are all about presenting the most unique and amazing ideas for you to pick styles from at your own leisure. Thank you so very much for watching. Stay tuned to our channel. Remember to subscribe if you're yet to. It's a wonderful and amazing time to be on braids today. Keep coming back for more. You take care and bye.